splish splash, I was taking a bath. All about a Saturday night. Oh, rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Then I stepped out the tub, put my feet on the floor, wrapped my towel around me, I opened the door, and then a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. How was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splash, rolling and a strolling, reeling with the feeling, rocking and a rolling. Yeah! Ow!
Well, maybe it's deeper that way. Who knows? Look at how bad that is.
Bing bang, I saw the whole gang dancing on my
I think
living
this
room
isn't
rug.
too much.
Well, flip flop, they were doing the bop. All the teens had a dancing bug. There was a lollipop
They're nicer
Peggy
than
Sue,
people before.
Collar Miss Molly was even there too. And then a splish splash, I forgot about the bath. Went and put my dancing shoes on. I was rolling and a strolling, feeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, pushing and a splashing. Yeah! Splishing and a splashing, I was a rolling and a strolling. Yeah, I was a moving and a grooving, I was a reeling with the feeling, rolling and a strolling, moving with the feeling. Splish splash, what? Splishing and a splashing. One time I was a rolling and a strolling. Yeah.
And this is the sewer doing it here. That was at least 7 feet high yesterday, or the last time it